In 1986, Jürgen Guras turned his vision of the perfect sliding door that conceals all the technology into reality. Today, Raumplus is a globally active company managed by the second generation of the same family, as well as a leading manufacturer of custom-made sliding doors, room dividers, and closet systems.
The ideas of our founder Jürgen Guras and his principles we have proudly continued until today. Everything he did was based on Hanseatic traditionals of quality, service, innovation and honesty. Join us for a tour of the Raumplus world and see what has become of the small company.
From its headquarters in Bremen, Germany, Raumplus supplies customers in 70 countries all around the world. Quality, know-how, and precise manufacturing are combined to deliver products that meet even the highest expectations. Quality made in Germany that we are always monitoring. When doing so, we also subject processes to continuous scrutiny, thus ensuring that they are always improving. Our products are shipped around the world after very short production times to ensure that our customers are able to realize their custom-made interior design projects in the shortest time possible. You can experience the diversity of our products not only at our facility in Bremen, but also at international shows and at our worldwide Raumplus showrooms. You will be amazed just how good Raumplus quality feels when you experience it up close. Our goal is to review products on a regular basis, allowing us to stay one step ahead in the design and technology stakes. When doing so, we place great value on our customers' opinions. You are often the ones who provide us with the essential feedback required to make our products even better. As original made-in-Germany products, Raumplus systems set standards worldwide. Copies are not an issue for us because only a genuine Raumplus system can survive materials tests including 100,000 repeats without wear and tear or material fatigue. We not only give you our word on this, but also 10 years warranty. Our systems are distinguished both by their high technical standards and first and foremost by their award-winning design that has won numerous prizes. Recognition that we view as motivation and an obligation. Because Raumplus is much more than just a brand, it is a pledge. A pledge that we will maintain a market profile for you. That a competent partner will always be available to answer all your questions. And that, even if you have never held a drawing pencil in your hand before, you will be able to plan and draw customized closet systems using our Raumplus software. Whether designing or installing Raumplus systems, our dealers are always at the top of their game thanks to regular training courses. We will assist you and look forward to staying in personal contact with you. This allows our skills and ideas to keep on growing, creating new visions. Just like a big family that is always growing and supports each individual. Because our interior designs are far more than custom-made furniture. They are about an attitude to life. Raumplus makes you happy.